It's 282 feet below sea level. So there is water in there, no?
Yeah.
Would you look at that? It's like a painting, no?
Now.
Itong mga to, libreng ano yan, libreng tulugan sa buong gabi. Oh, we're back at the Vegas. Welcome to Death Valley National Park, everybody. Hi. Huh? Margo.
What?
Death Valley. Iconic marker. Let's go. No.
One more.
One more. What a beautiful world, huh?
Clear? Hindi.
Ganda. Welcome everybody to Sabinsky. Welcome everybody. Bad water daw. Ayan, salt yan. Mga salt water. Lalakad tayo, punta tayo sa may salt flats. It's 282 feet below sea level. Oh,
Pagkapon na nga ito, asin dito.
Pangasinan of America. Badwater Pool. (85°F). Ayun sea level eh. Yan. Yun ang sea level. Dito tayo sa ilalim.
It's good.
Ayan, mga gusto ni Mami. Eating dirty asin.
Diyan hindi nila.
Kurenya te kanto yan. Alaam nga ka, isaw-saw. Mangga, kamyas.
Dati pa no ha.
Apo, nakadukat yung asinan.
Ikaw.
Karaw? Yan ay imas kan asin jay manggal sinan.
Tabali na mo.
God. Oh,
Ayun ako.
papalantay ko mapay. Tipay diretso jay.
Basta ako away. What's inside please? What's inside?
Gusto na.
Ito. Uy!
Bakit pa yung tubig? Nga oh. Can you hold on to tubig? Can you taste the tubig? Ooh. Taste it? No. Just kidding. So there is water in there, no?
No.
No. That's a bad water. Alright, pabalik tayo. Hindi nyo nakita. Dito tayo sa ilalim. Yun yung sea level. Pinaka mas mababa pa dun sa level ng sea, sa ocean. Kung saan tayo naroon na.
Water garden. Aveva un... Aspetta.
Oh, look at that. How beautiful is this? Artist drive. Look like a painting, no?
Paint my love. Paint.
There's a driver going through artist artist paint.
Malagay doon.
Here's our passengers. Here's our passengers.
Tourists. Slow down. Oh no, look at that. Ooh. The color.
Alright, we're climbing the top so you can see. Look at that, everybody. This is Death Valley. Artist palette painting. Look like a painting, huh? Look there. Would you look at that? Look like a painting, no? Grabe, ganda.
Ano kaya yung kulay niya kasi? Ilan mo lang malmalpas na dito niya? Lovely. This is lovely.
Ay, here's the ano. Ito yung kung saan na-record yung pinakamainit na temperature sa buong mundo. Ngayon at 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 degrees Celsius. Kasi May pa lang. Pag summer ay ano, ay 131, 135 yung dati dito. Nay, madi mo kaya.
Now.
You are here, Miss Kit.
Sabi ko sa'yo, nagkamali sila eh. Baka 85 meters.
85.5, no?
Baka the point na rin. Kinikita tayo eh. Nagkakumalak naman niya.
Okay, welcome everybody to the pads.
Ito yun
They
eh.
call it pads. These are ano, free camping spot. It used to be ito, tawag dito,
Employee na siya.
mga mining daw to, mga campingan. Ito libre lang. Ay,
Housing.
housing pala. Ito, itong mga to, libreng yan. Libreng
May natin.
tulugan sa buong gabi. Ayan, ayan. Maraming spot ang dami no. Pakita ko.
Pamot siguro ti ulag dito yan ha?
Ay, no. Dating tayuan ng mga bahay daw dito. Ganda. Libre mag-camp ito. Dami ng mga nakabong. Balik tayo ng Las Vegas. 2 oras pang biyahe natin. They call it the pads. The pads in
Masangguan magam tamo hati ke BLM.
ay.
Kaya man.
Oh, we're back at the Vegas. Old Fremont. Woohoo! You like this one? Too loud, too loud. That's it, that's it.